Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. We got a great episode for you. Today we're working back on our 72 Chevrolet C10 with a 454 big block in it. And we're working on the gas tank. We got the bed back on. So come on back, let me show you what we're doing today.
What is up, guys?
Hey guys, welcome back. So in this episode of Old Guy's Garage, my brother Mike is with us. If you haven't seen the last video, we were down at his house with his son Tate, and we were working on his Datsun 510, putting a Weber on it, and it was a barn find. It was awesome video, so go check it out, guys. It was really funny. We had a blast filming it, and Mike's here with us today. He's behind the camera right now. You'll see him in a second. But what we're doing today is we're making a plate to go underneath this so that this fits flush and isn't overhanging these corrugation on the metal bed. So stay tuned, we got an awesome episode for you. We're going to show you how to cut this out, fold it without even doing any welding, and then just put it in place and screw it on.
Hey guys, Mike Casty here with my brother Frank. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to show, it's always good to do a quick sketch of what your intent is, at least kind of figure it out, at least in your head. But you can see the corrugations of the truck bed, how it goes up and down like this. So Frank wants to get this so that it's sitting nice and flush. The fuel filler is nice and flush. So what we're gonna do is cut this panel so that it meets about halfway in the high spots in here. And then we're gonna cut it with this custom shape on these tabs to fit down within this corrugated place, and it'll give it a nice flat place here for the fuel filler. So check it out.
Cool. All right, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in our new panel to accept the outside diameter of the gas fill sleeve. All right, let's go cut this out. All right, so we got it cut. We got the hole cut. We're gonna fine tune this and smooth it out, but it's rough cut. We're gonna take this out. And you see that line right there? We're gonna have to cut this piece and then re-drill a hole right there for this insert. But we'll cut this because we have to take about 1 inch off of this rubber hose to get this to sit flush with the top of the bed right here. And to do that, if this is this length, Mike, come take a look and look down inside the tank here. Mm-hmm. You'll see the steel of inside the tank. There you go. This will end up hitting that, so we got to cut this shorter so that I can fit this down inside there without this hitting the inside of the tank. So this is kind of where it's going. Here. So that's all the way down right now. That's actually hitting the tank right now. But once this is done, this will fit flush with this. And then we're gonna make some tabs and then bend the tabs so it fits down inside the corrugation of the bed. Mike, what are we doing now?
I'm just gonna try and sketch out the tabs so that we can cut out this funky shape, and then we'll cut it and bend them down so that it makes a flat surface for the fuel filler.
All right.
The eyeball engineering. Okay, let's give it a shot.
What?
Let's give it a shot.
All right, so we're gonna cut those tabs and then do the other side, or what?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in some merch, we're gonna get some really cool swag going. Right now, you can go to my brother's website at castyworks.com. That's CASTIWORX.com. And you can pick yourself up some stickers. There's mugs on the website, and then you can also get yourself some shirts. There's ladies shirts and men's shirts, all different sizes, and multiple colors too, right, Mike? What colors do you have?
Yeah, we've got black, like a heather gray, and this navy.
Yeah. So this is a navy. You've seen me wearing the black one. But yeah, go to castyworks.com, guys, and check you out and pick up some merch. It'll help support the channel. This metal piece underneath here, and now we're going to bend the tabs down. You think about it like that?
Yeah, let's give that a shot.
Let's try that.
All right, we're gonna give it a test fit, see how it looks. Hopefully lays fairly flat. Wow, it's pretty good.
So maybe go down a little bit more.
Yeah, we could probably bend it just a little bit more. This side's really close. This side could go a little more.
Yep. This is, yeah, that's pretty darn tight right there. Sweet.
Cool.
This marker's toast. You can use the red one if you want.
Hello.
All right.
All right. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's a wrap. We got some fine tuning to do still, but you can see we got the metal tabs fitting, going down in the corrugation, just like the drawing. And let me know what you guys think. I can weld this in place, then grind it, which is a lot of grinding and welding, or I could put a self-tapper there, self-tapper there, self-tapper there, and do it all the way around. One here, one here, one here, one here. So they look like there would be 9, but there's actually 8 screws in there. Let me know what you guys think, if I should do that or weld it. We're gonna rhino line the whole back of the bed, so before this truck is done, this whole thing is getting covered in rhino liner. So this really will disappear. It's gonna be all black rhino liner, just like the rest of the bed. But the main reason we did that is so that when this drops down, stay tuned in the next video, we're going to cut this and then drop it down and finish this. We'll see. But I'm going to cut this and drop it down so it fits flush. And then we'll see if we're going to screw it in or weld it into place. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. And if you want to get yourself one of these shirts, just hit the link below. I'll put the link below, castyworks.com. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. I just want to thank you for your idea. That was actually your idea to do the tabs. I was going to cut tiny little pieces and weld every single one in there. Mike's like, no, we're just going to cut little tabs and bend it down. Easy.
It's always good to get a second opinion.
Yep. So thanks for watching, guys. Check us out online, castyworks.com. And we're also going to have oldguysgarage.com coming soon. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya.
Peace.
Peace.